Hello, this is Kyle from Refinery Pass, and today I wanted to show you how to purchase your course and start learning as soon as possible. We just need to go to refinerypass.com. We don't need the www. And once we're here, we can just say purchase for yourself. Now it's pretty easy. If you need both the basic refinery orientation and let's say it's site specific, we'll just click on the orientation, say add to cart. Then we can go back up to courses and find something like the Toledo site specific. Let's go ahead and purchase that as well. Now that we have both things in our cart, we're just going to say checkout. Now, some of the billing information is not stored in our database for security reasons, just for the purchasing of your courses. But the email is what's going to be transferred over and is going to be used as your username when logging in. So we want to make sure that is correct or valid, or it is actually your email address. If you're purchasing for others, you need to make sure you're under the section or the product that is purchasing this product for somebody else. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just populate this stuff real quick. Now I've got a discount code that I'll use to make this free. You may or may not have one, and we'll say continue to payment. All right, make sure everything's fine. You'll see your payment information here that you'll plug in, and we'll say buy now or pay now. Great, once this processes, if you are a new customer, you're gonna receive an email with like some temporary login credentials to get in and actually register as a student. If you're a return customer or purchased courses in the past, then all you need to do is log into your account and you'll see your new course. You're not going to receive a secondary email from us to register, again, because you're already registered. So let's take a look at the email that we get for the new students where we can create a little profile. If I drag this over here, here we go. Okay, so we have a link here where we're going to end up registering and our temporary login credentials. So let's go ahead and open this link up. And here we go. So we have our username and password. If I delete the auto-populated information, there we go. Now we're just gonna plug in the information that we received in our email. If you don't see an email, check your spam folder because it may be in that. Or if you're really having problems, you can email us at support@refinerypass.com. Let's go ahead and grab this temporary password. Now I like to take a lot of our subscription codes or temporary passwords and copy and paste them into the field, because sometimes like the I's look, or uppercase I's look like a 1 or maybe a lowercase L. So it just kind of helps prevent some of those issues. And also we want to make sure there's no spaces at the end because those are considered characters. So we'll say I agree. Now here's where we're actually going to register our information as a student within our system. This is what the refineries are going to end up seeing on their end. So you want to make sure this information is correct. It's kind of a dual thing for security, yes, but then also we just want to make sure that you actually get credit for the courses that you took and another Kyle Jones isn't hijacking your profile accidentally and getting credit for the stuff that you paid for. So I'm just going to do fake date of birth here. Driver's license, same thing. More used for identity purposes. Company name, I'll just say Refinery Pass. Oops. Okay. Now the group is not a mandatory field, so we don't see this little star asterisk, red star asterisk. So you can skip this if you're not a part of a group. If you are a part of a group, then we need to use the drop down and we need to choose one of these companies. If you don't see your company's name, don't worry about it. You can just skip it and we'll say save changes. And yes, I want to agree again. Now, if you'd like to change your password, because again, the one we get is kind of wonky and crazy, we can go down to change password here and we can type in our password and redo it. I would suggest doing this in case you want to come back and do more site specifics in the future, just so you aren't running into password issues in the future. Now it's time to get to our courses. We can either just click homepage up here, or we can go up into our little user menu and say homepage. And this is actually going to have the last 3 or 6 courses that you ended up purchasing. And it's as easy as jumping in and start learning now. We want to thank you guys for using Refinery Pass. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@refinerypass.com. Good luck with your orientations and have a good day.